here? I'm asking you, why are you, all of you here? Why?
You want to refresh your knowledge of engineering and pass the exam.
Okay, you have objective.
Yes, we have
Objectives. Okay. Second, what are you going to do now? What are you going to do now? What you are going to do? What you are going to do now? What is you are doing? Discussion. Very good, very good. We are going to discuss today. Okay, if you have objective, guys, if you have objectives, how you are going to monitor and control your objective? How you are going to monitor and control your objectives? The first question I will ask you now. Let us see. Today is our introduction to MMUP engineering registration exam preparation course. Very good. Okay. Starting date today. Today. Okay. I send in WhatsApp group all the course outline. Anyone check it? Nobody. Check, please. Check now. Check now our course outline on WhatsApp group. I send it. I send it. Please, all of us. Our WhatsApp group is very active, guys. Very active. We have to.
Let's do join.
Please go. Let them now. Let them now register you in the new WhatsApp group. We have in our WhatsApp group. We have what? We have all the course outline. I send it again. I send it again. Please, guys, let us have our updated every hour. Check our WhatsApp. If you need to pass the exam, we have to do some effort. This part from effort communications through the WhatsApp. A lot of engineers, they are missing WhatsApp. No. Our WhatsApp is very important tool for communication for our exam to pass the exam. Okay, topics. Here one topics our video. I send it for all of you. Check WhatsApp group, please. Okay, if any engineer don't have this WhatsApp or not participate in our WhatsApp group, please let the admin add you. Now, okay. Why, what, and how? Today, why you are here? What are you doing now? And how you are going to monitor your objective and control your objective? This is 3 questions. We are going to answer them. And still we have what? Still here are 5 number questions. Jumping in all of your head. Any engineers in this classroom have a lot of questions about this exam. For sure, 100%. Let us see the first one. Anyway, this course is prepared by myself. I am Yasser Met'ab, PMB certified civil engineer. See, guys, I am civil engineer. I am introducing myself as civil engineer. Since what? Since 1987. I am graduated from Alexandria University, 1987. Okay, I'm still young. Don't worry. Working as a planning and cost control manager in my previous company. Due to Corona pandemic, they are closing the company. I have my own company now. I am one-man company now, working everything like all of you here. Okay. BMB certified since 2017, quality management system ISO 9000 2015 auditor, certified by ARICA 2016, and I have lead agreement achieved since 2015 on UPDA grade A since 2014. I already put myself in everyone's shoes. So I am still remember the confusion which all of you have it. Now you will see how we are going to solve these confusions and make all of you working in a right track. Now let us go for our journey. We are going to start from today a very nice trip until you're going to pass your exam and get your MMUP registration card. Okay?
Sir, I think slides are not working.
Slides not working?
Yeah, online.
It's not working online.
Yeah.
Okay. This is a problem between the face-to-face class and online. I will again share again. Let us see. Inshallah, it will be working. Working now? Not working. It's working now, guys?
Yes, I think.
Working now. Okay, this is the first slides, second slides, and whatever here. Let's start from the third one. Mr. UPDA General Green, answer me these questions first, please. What is UPDA stand for, guys? What?
Urban Planning and Development Association.
Sorry, guys, online, please listen, and let us follow our class, because like that it will be confusion between the face-to-face class and the online class. Please, guys, just focus. If the slide is not working, tell me. Slides working or not? Hello, guys, online.
Working.
It's working.
It's working. Focus back in our slides and let us have a discussion now. The first question is, what is UPDA stand for? Second one is, what is UPDA for, and why there is UPDA, and what is your competency, and what is the strategy to be UPDA certified? I believe if all these 5 questions answered clearly inside all of you, clearly, you will put yourself in the first step in the right track. First step. What is our exam for, class? How many questions? How many questions should be in our exam? How many questions? Anyone? How many?
27.
Very good. The rate, answering rate. How many questions? 27, 1 hour. To solve already we have. To solve this, each question, how many minutes you need? For new, especially new engineers, nobody answered me. 2 minutes, 15 seconds. Okay. So now, what is UPDA stand for? Let's wait. I am just make you on the right track. What is UPDA stand for? What UPDA stand for, guys? We are going to have our MMUP or UPDA register card. What is UPDA stand for? First, you are going for exam and you don't know what this exam for.
Urban planning and
That's I need. Okay, very good. Right, let's see. The first one. What is UPDA for? Standing for urban planning and developing assurance. Means what here? The Qatar here have what? Have vision. Correct? Yeah. We are developing the country. No? Qatar have visions. We are in the vision or we are in the plan? Vision. We are in the vision. We are in the vision or the plan? Every vision have plan, correct? Every vision have plan, or otherwise it will be dream. So the vision have plan. Where we are? Where we are, guys? In the vision or in the plan? Both. Very good. No, we are in the plan. In the plan. Where exactly is it? What type of planning we are in? Let us see. Urban planning is what all developing country. A vision without a plan is just a dream. What kind of plan? Why Qatar have vision first to develop this country? To make sure that all the engineers here working they are engineers. Maybe He is what? He's a doctor, dentist, and he's working in civil engineering. What is the problem? I can bring a certificate from Nigeria. Huh? $200. PhD in civil engineering. Yes, salam. I can do it now. Wallah, $200. Okay, and I can be PhD in civil engineering, and I can working in Qatar gas. Wow, very nice. Yes, okay. But make sure how to make sure why they need to examine us. Why they do examine us? Why? Why? To make sure that's meaning quality assurance. Quality assurance. To make sure that all the engineer here working as engineer, chemical, mechanical, electrical, why, blah, 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 blah. Why? To save time, effort, and safety purpose. If you are not civil engineer and you are designing a building, and this building collapse when you are casting the first floor slab, what will happen? Those things. A lot of souls, a lot of people die. Time, money, effort, to make sure you are quality assurance. We are in the part of the plan, which we call it National Quality Assurance Plan, related to the vision, related to our vision. Very good. Now we are the first one. Second question, guys, let us see. What is UPDA for? Is to determine if you or he or she have the competency to work in Qatar as an engineer, whatever, mechanical, civil, chemical, blah, 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 whatever. As an have, please choose the correct answer below. Online, guys, tell me, which is the answer? Which is the answer? Engineering, knowledge, and education, wala experiences, wala soft skills, wala ethics, wala all above.
All above.
Hands up. All is above, huh? Wrong.
A. Engineering, knowledge, and education.
Yes, A. Online people, right? A. Guys. Why is not all above? Why? You have a fresh gratitude engineer, just fresh, just now. You have a senior guy, 35 years experience, and you have a in the middle, moderate, and 20 years experience, senior, still senior. All of you the same questions. All of you the same questions. Means what? Means all of you the same. But when you are grade A, grade B, grade C, related to your experience, attested. Whatever you succeed to attest your certificates, you can be grade A. If you fail, you are going to be trainee. Especially if you are working here from 2 years back, 3 years back, and you have experience 35 years, and you fail to prove and to attest your certification, experience certificate, that's meaning what? That's meaning you are going to be trainee. That's meaning engineering. Tabata, I ask you now from a few minutes back, how many questions? Again, 27. Passing the score? Guys, all of you going for exam, and you don't know this answer is 14. The rate, I am asking about the rate of answering each question. Nobody asked. Now 2 minutes, 13 seconds, because I told. But but even the online guys, I am challenging them now. Nobody knows about 2 minutes, 15 seconds. Why? Why you have to do like that? Why you have to do such just collecting requirements? Collecting requirements now. You are collecting requirements. Why you are going to ask yourself this question? To prepare yourself and put yourself in right track. This type of exam is nightmare for all of you, but it's nothing. It is nothing. Why it's nothing? Because a lot of people go to the first attempt, fail, coming from the exam, segregate by your colleagues. This is very hard exam, but in the end, no. It's very simple, but you need to prepare yourself in a good way. which Green International, inshallah, will give you this way. So now the answer is A. Use your logic to answer a question in 2 minutes and 13 seconds. What you need? You need to study civil engineering for 5 years again. Yeah, if you can we study civil engineering for 5 years again? So let us come back, let us go back 5 years. Okay, civil engineering. How did you think I am in 30 hours? I'm going to give you all the civil engineering? You imagine like that? No, but I will give you the right way to be in the right track. Okay, how you are going to use by your own logic to answer any questions. There is logic and engineering sense. Your engineering sense. All of us educated, all of us have experience, all of us have knowledge, but unfortunately we are working, sleeping, working, sleeping. Working, sleeping, working, sleeping, nothing. We don't read, we don't do anything. We are far away. If even I will tell you cosine or sine 30, how much? Nobody will cosine. Wow, wow, perfect. What about sine 30? Sine 30, sine 30 is 0.5. You see, we are far away from studying, guys. We are far away. But because we are cement now, concrete, خلاص, finished. So we need to do what? We need to refresh, and shake this brain again. Plaster it, sandpaper, use a sandpaper. This is what we are going to do. Okay, let's go for. Let me use your logic, guys, your engineering sense. Answer me these questions, guys. Let us see. Fact number 1. We have facts, 3 facts. Humans are mammals. All of us are mammals. We are human, like him. Second, some humans are engineers. For sure. All of us engineers. Wow, that's fantastic. A very nice planet. Earth, it will be all of us engineers. Oh, wow. Okay. Factor number 3, engineers build houses. Of course. Okay. Fact. If the above statements are facts, which of the following can be logically inferred? All mammals build houses? Well, engineers are mammals? Well, some humans are not engineers. This is a way of your exam, but this is not from your previous exam, guys. This is not from previous exam, but this is a way how you are going to think and how you are going to answer the question. Tell me what is that?
Some humans are not engineers.
Perfect.
B. It's a B.
Perfect. Of course, some humans are not engineers. This is very if all of us engineers will not eat. We will not eat a man. And we are stop eating. Okay, very good. But the answer is B. What did you use now? Logic? Sense? Logic, sense. This is our exam. This is our exam. Logic, sense. Logic, sense. With some skills. Calculation skills. With some calculation skills. With some knowledge about structure analysis. With some knowledge about soil. With some knowledge for project management. With some knowledge for roads. With some knowledge for fluid. All of them together, go to your exam from first attempt. You will pass the exam. Don't worry, you are in safe hands, inshallah. Why there is UPDA? Again, why? Because Qatar have visions. How many visions in Qatar? Visions. How vision in Qatar? How many visions? Qatar have how many visions? Tell me. Let us discuss, guys. Online.
2030 vision 1.
2030 is vision. What else?
22.
21, 2022. Guys, online, please, guys.
2030.
It's a vision. 2022 is a vision.
No, 2030 is a vision.
2030 is a vision. So what about 2022 World Cup? It's an event. It's an event. Just event. 1 month, they are going to play in our range football and they finish. I don't like it. really, because they are destroy our brains. Football is destroy our brains. Like a lot of things is destroy our brains. But anyway, anyway, it's an event. Qatar deserves the best. It's a vision. 2030 is a vision. Two visions. Qatar deserves the best. The best for everything. Who doing the best? Engineers. Huh? To make sure that they are doing the best. And now two visions. They have two visions. As I told you, visions without a plan is just a dream. Now, to comply with Qatar visions, Qatar deserves the best and 2030. Hello. Hello out. Number 4. We are the engineers part of the plan implementation. Yes, we are doing the work. We are doing design. We are executions of design, correct? Some of us here working in consultancy office, for sure. And some of us, major, I believe, in contract. I am contractor. A lot of us as well, some of us is consult. Both of us, all of us engineers. All of us, we are participate in a particular task together with one aim to finish it on time with high quality without a safety issues. Okay. What is your competency? I am civil engineer. When I said I am civil engineers, I work as site engineer, construction manager, project manager, planning engineer, senior planning engineer, planning and cost engineer, project manager, planning and cost control manager, project manager, and planning and cost control manager. Until now, I am everything. I have a small company, which I already have established from 1 year back, but I'm working small project. Everything. Watchman until CEO. What I can do, this is nice. Okay, Mr. UPDA, it's what? It's 27 number questions. Yes, your score is 14 over 27. What is the score then? Nobody knows. What is the score then? 51%. 51. If you got 51%, you'll pass your exam. 51%. 51%, guys. That's mean what? Your success in your hand. Your success key in your hand. How to use this key? This is the question will be answered. Hello. What is the strategy to be Mr. UPDA certified and improve your competence? As I told you before, all of us civil engineers, correct? But we are working different areas now. Some of us planning, some of us PS, QAQC, some of us quantity surveyor, some of us project manager, some of us project engineer, some of us construction manager, correct? But every engineer in this room and online have strengths in a particular area for our knowledge. Still until now, you have a particular strength. I cannot tell whatever. All of us have structure analysis strengths. No, I cannot tell as well project management. No, but all of us have different. From this point, we will start. Everyone built his strategy. Now, what is the strategy to be Mr. UPDA to be certified? This is the question now. How you will pass MMUP exam from first attempt? With good planning, good execution of the planning. Means what? Green International will do what for you? You have two parts. Green International, which Yasser, and everybody of you. Did you think I'm going to give you 100% your success? I'm asking you. Did you think I'm going to give you 100% success?
Yes.
Coaching you. I am coach. It's not professor. I am project manager. I know how to coach people. I am project manager, professional project manager. I like it. But I am not professor. I am not teacher. But you will find me very nice in structure analysis. You will see. You will have a very session in structure analysis. You will come back to scratch, from scratch. You remember shear force diagram? Wow, I have a lot of engineering. Normal force diagram, bending moment diagram, we will come back. I am advising all of you guys to focus in these two classes, which is coming Sunday, Tuesday, coming next week. All of us have now the outline, our course outline, our schedule. All of us. Again, I will send again. I will send again, guys. I will send again. Please, all of us stuck on this plan, our schedule. Again, I will send it again.
We have.
Again, but some engineers still not. So I will send it again. So all of us, we have now all of us WhatsApp group, and all of us participate in this WhatsApp group. Correct? Very good. I will send it again. Again, this is our course start date and our finishing date. Our finishing date, I will make sure, inshallah, I'm always extend, but this class, this batch, I will finish it on time, which is what? Which 4th of April. If you open 4th of April, we'll finish our course. Very good. In 30 hours. Today is it's not included in our 30 hours. Today is introduction only, refreshment. I would like to open a channel of communication with all of you. Okay? Now, coaching you how yourself means what yourself? Efforts. And I'm going to let you do effort, forcing you. You will see. I am going to force all of you to solve the homework. We are going to have homework. You will solve the homework. Okay? Be or to be or not to be. Be or not to be. By hook, by rock, I will be forcing you to solve this homework. You will see how. You will see how now. How yourself to be in the exam mode. Yes. If you are not asking yourself the rate, answering time for each question, 2 minutes, 13 seconds, you are not the exam mode. All of you. No, put yourself in the exam mode from now. From now, our start date now. Put yourself in the exam mode. How? I will put your mood in the exam mode. Don't worry. Number 2, through emotional intelligence technique, you will love what we are. It's very interesting. You will see. Very interesting. We are going to have very interesting session, and you will love what are you doing and how you will manage your exam time. This is very important. How to manage your exam time. A lot of engineers, they are not studying, but they have this strength to manage. They collect the information before the exam. You have particular information, that analysis. The exam is whatever in structural analysis, whatever in project management, whatever in soil mechanics, and they are new that this is 2 minutes, 13 seconds. They are asking themselves, what questions is need 2 minutes, 13 seconds? What type of questions in civil engineering need from us to solve in 2 minutes, 13 seconds? Okay, that's meaning is you are not going for deep. It's tricky, but you can answer it in one equation. Okay, so I am building myself. So they can go to the exam. They have already exam mode, how to manage the timing in the exam, so they can pass the exam without studying. And some engineers, they are studying, and go to the exam fail because there is way how to manage your time, exam time. This is what we are going to discuss it a lot, and we will give exercise. Practice makes perfect. Number 3, potentially guide you. Where are your knowledge strengths? As I told, through every engineer here in this room and online as well, have strengths. Okay, guiding you how to study smart, guys. Don't study hard. Did you have time to study hard? Did you have? No, we didn't have. From 5 o'clock in the morning until 7 o'clock, until you come here. So you finish your class, 3 hours. I will give her I am hammering you, and then you go to sleep. So, but I am going to guide you how to study. It's very important. Very important. This is green. What about you, Ba? What about you? Your strategy as a civil engineer is enhance your civil engineering sense. Number two, grab this opportunity and feel the art of civil engineering. Architect and civil engineer. Who's doing art more? I'm asking you. The one guy, architect and civil engineers. We are both of this. We are both of us in working together, correct? Who have art? Who's doing art? Who's the artist more? No. No. Unfortunately, no. The architect is painting. You convert this paint to reality. This is more art, guys. Structure, design, structure system. You are converted particular to a physical something in your hand. Who's doing art more? Civil engineer. I'm telling you. Well, civil engineer. Architect is talented, but is not artist. Talented doing paint, but civil engineer is more artist. He doing more art. Feel the art of civil engineer. Feel it. You will feel it, inshallah. Feel the art of civil engineer. And project management knowledge area. It's a beautiful journey. Yes, it is. From it, you can build for BMB, you can build for green, you can build a lot. You are going to love studying, because this really, without reading, all of us without reading, we are nothing. We are nothing. We are not reading. We are not reading anything. If even our soil report for our project, we are not reading. Our contract, we are not reading. Our project specification, we are not reading. I know. Our baseline, schedule baseline, we are not reading. Well, I know it. Okay, so we have to read now. Okay. Number 4.
Sir, I have a question. Sir, what is the total hours for this exam? Is it 1 hour?
Habibi, you don't know.
No, I skipped that portion. Sorry, sir.
Okay, very good. You don't know. Sorry, Yani, you don't know how many hours. It's 1 hour. Okay.
1 hour.
I am answering you now.
And
You have to be with us in a fresh mood. Means what? Fresh by your mind. It's 1 hour exam, 27 questions. The rate of answering each question, how many minutes?
2 minutes 15 seconds.
Yeah, 13 seconds.
Yeah. Now my question is,
2 minutes, 15 seconds.
after
Okay.
2 minutes 15 seconds, will it move to the second question if we do not answer?
You can take one question 1 hour. No big deal.
Okay. Got it. So this is basically for our own.
You can take one question 1 hour and skip 27. 26. No problem.
Sir, the second question is regarding the calculation, the computation. Will the calculator be allowed to use?
I will explain to you.
Okay, thank you.
I will explain to all of you now. Your exam is 27 questions. There is no particular criteria to choose whatever. For example, like BMB, they are telling people, we will take 40% from the total, your exam in particular area. And we are going to take the other planning or execution, 25% from, no. In your exam, but average structure analysis 3 to 5, project management 2 from 9 to 11 questions, soil mechanics from 2 to 3, fluid from 1 to 2, and surveying 1, concrete 1, traffic and roads 2 to 3. If you collect all, some question here and here, and 2 questions or 3 questions, nothing to do with civil engineering. No, there is no ethics. Something in general. You can say something in general. 27 questions, we will give the weight through the way of our classes. So that meaning 27 questions. Okay. Go to your exam, the first screen, first question. Okay, structure analysis. خلاص. Take my 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, up to you. It's up to you. You can solve it in 30 minutes. You can solve it in 1 second. Up to you. So that means what? You are controlling. No big deal. You can take whatever time to solve. But this is not the way. I'm telling you how to deal with your exam time. Don't worry. That's meaning what? There is calculator? There is calculator, yes.
There is no
Scientific. Sorry?
There is no negative.
Negative? No negative. No negative. Don't skip any question in your exam. This is my advice. Don't skip. If even you have 3 questions and you have 1 minute balance, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Like that. Believe me. What you have to do. What you have to do. If you have 3 questions and 1 minute, what you have to do. I will not give you this. I will not practice you to do that this way. But I am going to let you practice different way. I am going to let you finish the 27 questions in 30 minutes. You will solve your exam all in 30 minutes. How? Just wait, guys. Just wait. Wait, we will discuss about this one on a particular in the right time, as you said. So now online, okay, now answered? Okay, answer. Means now scientific calculator, you have scientific calculator, but we were going to memorize sin 30, how much? Cosine 30, how much? Sin 60, how much? Cosine and sine 45, how much? Before we are going to exam.
You can take calculator?
No calculator. You cannot take your calculator. You cannot take your watch. You cannot take every no, your clothes on. Your uniform. Don't worry, they are not going to take it off from you. So now, no calculator, no mobile. Just only they are going to give you blank paper and pencil. And blank paper, and pencil, and your exam.
Exam, it's online?
Online, of course, online. It's not book, it's not paper, based on paper exam.
What structural calculation you don't take a calculator?
We will practice. We'll practice. Don't worry. Your brain now will become a calculator. Don't worry. Don't worry, guys. Don't worry. Coming classes, we'll see, inshallah. Okay, now, time. We have number 4. Practice makes perfect. Practice makes perfect. Yes. Yes. Means what? We are going to give you almost 500. Which? 500. 500. If after you solve this 500 questions, what you are expecting yourself? What you are expecting? Practice makes more than that. You can do whatever, but this is what we are going to give you 500, more than 500 even questions. Some of them from previous exam, copy paste. Some of them is from the previous exam, copy paste. Some of them. Okay, very good. Slowly, guys. We'll see. Time. Practice makes better, but I will let you practice first. I will give you hard time. Okay? I will see how. I have strategy. It's 27 number questions only, and you can pass if you get 14 over 27. And you can pass your exam easily. Easily, inshallah. A lot of engineers, they are already coming to join a course, whatever the batch. 1 class, 2 class, the exam, SMS reach. Yeah, sir, what I'm going to do? Calm down. I will inject you. Take this injection. Free. And you go to your exam pass. A lot of cases. It's not 1 case, 2 cases, a lot. This is, I am 4 years now teaching this civil engineering, guys. Say 4 years. 4 years the same, repeated every 1 month. I show new faces. I am happy to see each month new faces. I am enjoying it actually. So don't worry, guys. It's 27 number of questions, and your score 14. Let us go for the second one. Mr. UPDA, don't worry. Mr. UPDA now, what you have to do now? Mr. UPDA, you already went to green, sir. You went to green. It's a green here. Green, sir. You went to green, see? You went green. You already went green. You already went green here. You are here now, Green International, correct? You will know that the knowledge is gold, guys. The knowledge is very nice. When you study by this way. Get more knowledge. Try to enhance your knowledge. Try to refresh your mind. Try to take this opportunity like what? Don't make it force yourself. No. Make yourself. This is the opportunity that I am going to refresh my knowledge. Why not? You will see yourself. A lot of you will see yourself now. If even from now, how you will see. This is our course outline. Always, any project we have, any project in Qatar or even anywhere, we have pre-design, pre-design, design, pre-construction, construction, post-construction. Our exam here. How? In pre-design, we have a lot of questions areas that will come about business case, business need. Okay, that's why we have it here. Here, we have it here. Civil engineering knowledge, education, and education for any civil construction project stages, which start from redesign. Redesign will a lot of questions in project business need, case, general discussion. 2 to 3 questions coming. You will see what I mean. And you are going to have design phase, design structure, soil, fluid, roads, traffics, all we are the design, material, concrete, blah, 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 all of them all in design. But he will not design a section for steel reinforcement. Tell you what is the area of the steel. No. The questions in the areas which are coming in these areas, in these topics. Pre-construction phase, bidding, awarding contract, the process of the contract type. What is the contract type? We have some questions in our contract type about productivity, about the way purchasing, about procurement, about all this one. Now we have some questions here coming in our construction phase. Yes, project management. He will not ask you. Go ahead. You are late. You missed a lot. So we have project management, scope management, schedule management, cost management, quality. This is our core knowledge area, which we are not going to discuss it the same module of BMB. No, you are civil engineers. Need some project management, some project management knowledge, but you are not going for BMB. Different. We will put you in the way how you are going to deal with your exam, which is related to this knowledge. Post constructions, we are going to have general discussion about surety approvals and services connections. We are going to discuss in general why we have DC1, DC2, what is a building permit, what is QCS, what blah, 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 in these areas. Okay. Now, guys, now it's time to score yourself. What's the meaning? What? Judge yourself. Judge yourself. Measure your knowledge. Now, let us have 15 questions. This 15 questions for previous exam. And let us say your score. We have 15 questions. This 15 questions, let us see how many correct and how many false. So let us see. Okay. From here, you can judge yourself. Okay. And this is the type of the questions coming in previous exam and judge you by yourself. By your brain, by yourself, you can see. And this doesn't know if anyone gets 0, no problem. No problem. Okay. If anyone gets 15, this is a good. This is very good start. Okay. In the middle, no big deal. In the middle, no big deal. We are having trial. And these 15 questions from previous exam. From previous exams. Okay. Let us online, guys. Let us see your capacity as well. And write it down a paper كده. And let us see, start from number 1. And I'm going to challenge a lot of engineers here for 5-star hotel. For 5-star hotel dinner. And the end, I am going to take from you the revenge. See? Number 1. Number 1. We have tried. Practice makes perfect. Guys, online, prepare yourself and tell me your score later. Number 1. See, very easy question. Very easy questions. Number 1.
Can you enlarge the screen?
B.
Because it's not
After the
readable.
official permission.
Sorry?
Can you enlarge the screen? It is not readable from the online.
It's not,
After the official permission.
it's not readable?
No.
It's okay now?
Okay, okay.
Okay now. Okay, exam as first try. Okay.
B. After the official permission from local authority.
Guys, online, tell me what's
B.
your problem, all of you?
No, I am giving the answer.
I will not give the answer now. Why you give the answer now?
I am giving the answer.
Okay, give the answer by your own. Write it down and check the answer later.
Oh, okay.
Check the answer later. Check your score, guys. Don't worry. I need all of you to check your scores. Yalla. What is the answer? Write it down. Write it down. Write it down. 1/1, correct? Let us see.
Clase achi pore korchi.
The answer is what? Construction work should begin. In
After the
Qatar,
official permission.
should begin. You are
After the
going to
official
solve this type
permission.
of question in 1 minute. If even not 1 minute, 30 seconds. See the way of they are giving us exam. Very simple, very easy. Very tricky, very annoying, like electricity on the board. So now the answer after the official permission from the local authority, the municipality. The answer is B. Logic, sense, nothing. A lot of questions in our exam like that. Wallah. This is the one. This is the one. You go 1/1, huh? Perfect. Second one. Yalla. Question 2. What is the type of bond guarantees that if contractor goes broke on a project, the surety will pay the necessary amount to complete the job? I
Payment
will
bond.
give you hand.
Payment bond.
Payment bond.
Guys, solve it at just take your minute, take your time, كده, don't and write it down in your paper. Don't be in a hurry. Why you in a hurry? If all of you solve this question correct, we are going for 5-star hotel now. Now, 5-star hotel now. Now, straightforward. We'll close the class and and we'll go. I will tell you in your exam. There is magic words. Magic words. Look for the magic words. Number 2. There is 4 options or even 6 options or 7 options sometimes in your exam. Okay? 2 of them, they are very near to each other to correct answer. And the balance, they are not related to subject. Which you have to take them and put them outside on the screen. And you are focused in these 2 options. By logic, by sense, by practice makes perfect, by refreshment, by blah, 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 you are going to do it that way. So now, what is the answer? Wait, what is the answer? What is the answer? A?
D.
Right. What is the answer? B?
Yes.
Khalas. Thank you very much. No 5-star.
D.
Khalas. You said B. Some guys,
D.
I said all of you, if give me the correct answer, I will go for 5-star hotel. The answer is not B.
Payment bond.
Okay. Why? What is the type of bond guarantees that the contractor goes broke? What's the meaning goes broke? Bankrupt. He cannot pay his liability. Liability is towards who? Towards the supplier, his team, whatever. Liabilities, any liability, salary, supplier payment, subcontractor payment, and on a project. Could be a performance, very high performance. Could be a high quality products. Okay, in the end, he cannot pay his liability. What the bond cover is not paid because BED, paid. In your exam, you will found it paid. It's not BID. In your exam like that, well, you will see paid. Where is the chair? Where is the dining room? Where is the bond? The chair bond, dining room. Why paid? Yeah. Why? Let us library, مثلا bond. صح؟ طيب, performance bond. What is a performance bond? If you are not comply to the project constraint. Project constraint. What the project constraint? Time, scope, scope, quality. Your cost, your cost. This is you. The consultant and the client, the client, the consultant don't care about your cost because you are lump sum contract. But time, quality, scope. They are doing hotel and you are doing stadium. I don't know what you are doing. Scope, what I don't know the knowledge. They can terminate you. They can terminate you from the project. But Ghost Brooks mean what? Means he cannot pay his liability. From this liability of a payment bond, the correct answer. D is correct answer. See? 5-star hotel, wrong. No 5-star hotel at the first channel. That's why I will give you homework. All of you from first class after the structure analysis. I will give 10, 15, whatever. This 10 and 15 I will give to all of you as a homework. Okay? This homework, you solve it at home, wrong or correct, whatever. Do any effort and come to the classroom, second class, solving this 10 or 15. And if you told me I solve 9 from 10, I will collect 10 riyal. I will collect 10 riyal. I will take 10 riyal. I will invite you for 5-star hotel and I will collect 10 riyal from you if you are not solving the homework. Don't tell me here I solve 9. I need 10. You solve 10. I am serious. I am serious and I am going to, you would see, I'm going to collect 10 riyal. In the same other hand, if all of you solve a particular question, 5-star. Deal, guys? Deal? Asta, deal. Alhamdulillah. Right. The answer is D. The answer is D, payment bond. You don't hear about it, but it is. You don't hear about it, it's different story. You don't hear about it, it's not the MMUP exam problem. Okay? You don't hear about it, that is your problem. No, there is, but because we are.
There is a retention bond, performance bond, lot of insurance, but never lot of payment.
I told you there is 2 and 3 questions from nothing related to civil engineering. This one of them. Payment bond. Google it, Google it, church, whatever, FIDIC, whatever you go, you will find what I'm telling you. Payment bond. Okay? A lot of discussion coming in this point, and is payment bond. Right, we have structure by now. When a T-beam span over several supports continuously, then the beam at mid-span should be designed as
Plain section.
solve.
করতে হয় হ্যাঁ কিন্তু কেন করতে হবে
I will collect the real. You will see.
B flange section.
يا عم استنى بس انت online. Why you are excited? Just write it down because all of our engineers are hearing you. See my voice? Yes. See. Guys, huh? Simply supported. Simply supported. Simply supported by flanged. Flanged.
Yes, yes.
Rectangular. Rectangular. Braceless. What is the two options? They are not related to subject.
Lunch.
The two option is not related to subject.
Rectangle section.
You will solve and you can relate you would solve every hand because you can. Free, huh? Why not? You get 20. The pay handle back. Come, Andy. Come. Bring a chair, big. Take this chair. Take the chair. Take this chair. Here. Oh. Nick, sit down. Sit down, sit down, sit down. Guys, what's a T-beam? T-beam. T-beam. Why, when we are using this T-beam in our structure system, why? Anyone heard about paneled beam? Yeah, wait. Paneled beams, paneled beams. Paneled beams. You forgot paneled beams. Then okay. See, this is a online bars, you cannot see the board, but I can do. This is the features face to face, they are have it, but online, they are live online. The scared from COVID, I know, I understand, but what we can do, what is beam? This continuous beam or not? Continuous beam, this is the beam here. Our beautiful beam here. If this beam already have load,